Do you want to know how to use the optical fiber in CCTV? Do you want to know how to connect our CCTV from point A to point B if it is crossing 500 meters, 1000 meters or 2000 meters? Then today's video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Basit. Welcome to my channel Learn with Abdul Basit. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the media converter uses and the gigabit switches uses. What is media converter? Let me tell you about that. Media converter, it is a device used for fiber optic connectivity. A normal CCTV setup will have a DVR at one place and n number of cameras like 4 cameras, 8 cameras, 16 cameras or 32 cameras, and a solid cable would be running from each and every camera and it would be coming to the DVR. In terms of NVR, what will happen? We have an NVR at one place, and from NVR we would be connecting one Ethernet cable and it would be connected to a switch. Again from switch it would be connected to a PoE switch. Again from PoE it would be distributing to different cameras. So like that we can make a setup of analog cameras and we can make a setup of IP cameras. But if our cameras are far from our location, how to use fiber optic? In the last video you have seen what exactly fiber optic is. I've explained you about different types of fiber optics and the splicing methods and the cable laying and all those things in the last video. Today I'm going to explain you about the media converters, the gigabit switches and everything. What is a media converter? Media converter, it is a type of transmitter and receiver in between a fiber optic cable would be connected. Assume here this side I have an NVR and it would be connected to a switch. Again from switch I have a camera at a distance of 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers, so I can't pull a cable Ethernet directly towards the camera. If I'll be going for switches in between, there might be connectivity issues, there might be temperature variances, and there might be some other factors which would be disturbing the connectivity between the camera and the other devices. So in that cases we will use the media converter. The media converter would be like this. I have a media converter of one company and it will have the transmitter and receiver. It comes with the pair. It has the transmitter and receiver, you may see. And the back side you will find the power plug. Here we have to insert the adapter DC pin and connect it to the power supply. And in between, this is the fiber port. We have to connect fiber cable, one this side and another fiber cable and this side on the receiver. So transmitter and receivers would be connected like this and they would be connected to the power supplies. And the other side you might see the Ethernet cable port. So here we would be connecting the cable from any switch or any router or any NVR or something like that, and this side we would be connecting it to the IP camera. So this is the media converter. It would be useful for shorter distances like 300 meters, 400 meters or 500 max meters. If the distance is exceeding 500-600 meters, then you have to go for a gigabit switch with SFP. Gigabit switch with SFP. What does SFP stands for? SFP stands for small form factor pluggable device. In that you would be having a separate fiber port on which you would be connecting the fiber cable, and the other side you would be using the same SFP gigabit switch and you would be connecting the fiber in the SFP mode. And on the other Ethernet ports you would be connecting the IP cameras or any network cameras like that. So this is the method to use fiber optic cable in terms of CCTV. You can use fiber optic in terms of analog cameras in the same method, and you can use the fiber optics in terms of IP cameras in the same method. This comes in short range. Short range ranges between 600 meters or 800 meters to 2 kilometers, that is 2000 meters. And long range comes in 2 kilometers to 80 kilometers. So it depends on the connectivity. If your cameras are far away from the devices, you can go for long range devices. If your cameras are nearby your devices, you can go for short range devices. Backside you may see how I have connected, how I have given the connection to the media converters. If you have any queries, if you have any questions, you may comments below. I'll make a video on that. If you find today's information useful and if you find today's video useful, I request you to please like, share my video, subscribe my channel, and let's meet in another video with another topic. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye.